Hello fellas, welcome to Operation Stormy Weather. It's Be Nasty. Gonna do a quick American turn in the summer of 1919. I've already done my tech rolls on Discord and I've updated the tech board appropriately. I have my purchases mapped out and ready to go here, so I had 53 to spend. I'm going to complete heavy battleship and a heavy carrier for 11. This will be 12, 2 partisans, 13, 14. I'm rushing this for 10, so it's 24. 3 colonials is 30. 33. Attack is 43. With the discount on this guy, it's another 10, that's 53, and I get a free jet as part of my technology. So that's all of that. For combat moves, I've got a couple. The fleet here is going to move down and attack French fleet. He's at a seaplane base, so he's going to go 1, 2. Join that combat, and then these 2 medium bombers are going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then land. Again, I've got long range aircraft, and they're coming from a territory with a airfield. Just kind of this guy's going to go across the prairies, 1, 2. These guys are going to rail back to New York. Okay, and then this transport's going to pick up these 2 guys, drop them off into Jamaica, and then he'll go and port in Jamaica. Oh, and yeah, I should get the buck here. $1 for Britain, or $1 down for Britain, and $1 up for the States. Then I'm going to attack into Chile with these 4 guys and a tactical bomber coming from the light aircraft carrier, so that's 1. 2 into, I don't know what seasonal it is, then 3 into P-77, 4 into Chile, and then he'll have a 5th move to land somewhere. And I don't believe I have anything more than that. For combat moves, I'll have some non-coms, but okay, let's do this. I think you'll have 2 first strikes at 2 with your coastals. Okay, so those both miss. Okay, so then let's go. Okay, so medium bombers are gonna go purple, sure. Let's go our pre-treads orange. Our TBDs will be green. And what do I have left? an early cruiser, and a seaplane, which will be gray. Okay, so TBDs are at 2. So these guys are at 2. This guy's going to be at a 5. These guys, the pre-treads, are at 4. Medium bombers are at 7. And then these guys at a 3. So right in there. Okay, so TBDs, green, are 2. Seaplane can only hit subs. He's gray at a 3. My 2 pre-dreads are orange. They're hitting at 4s. My lone early cruiser is blue, hitting at a 5. And then I have 2 medium bombers hitting at 7. So we've got 1, 2. 2 hits, which is not great. I just gotta back up here. So you said, we said he would lose these guys. So those guys in there already took their first shot, so they're done. So you will have the seaplane. I don't think can hit anything. So can they observe? I think they can. So they'll boost one of these guys up to a 5. Or no, up to a 7, pardon me. So you're going to have 3 at 6, 1 at 7. So you got 3 hits. I will go, ouch, 1, 2, 3. Let's go another round here, I suppose. That's that guy, that guy, that guy. Let's go one more, see what happens. Oh, my seaplane. I'm going to put these things down. This is not a roll. Sorry, that's not a roll. My seaplane can no longer be hitting anything, so he'll have to boost something. And I should have called that before I rolled. So sorry about that. I'm going to scroll back up, pick them all up, and he'll boost the cruiser to a 6. Or I guess I hadn't seen it yet, so I'm not sure what the etiquette is there. So like this wasn't actually rolled, and it wouldn't have mattered. But these 2 guys did hit, so that would be him and him. So just 1 hit for you that time. Okay, so I'm at 3, and you're at 3. Yeah, sure. So the cruiser's at 6, boosted by the seaplane. So 2 hits. And you get 1 hit. So, go, retreat, land. Okay. So then let's go down here. Okay, so I have 4 at 1 and attack bomber at 7. So 2 hits One of them's a target select, but I mean, work out to be the same. It'd be. You've got Britain has 2 purple at 5 and oopsies and a militia. Oh boy. Fucking sorry. Okay, so doom. Round 2. Nothing for me. A hit for you. And round 3. There we go. Attack hit again. And nothing for you. Okay, so oopsies. So that'll be a little swapperoo there. And he will land back in Peru. Okay, I think all I have left now is non-coms, so bring this guy over here, I suppose. A 5th fleet's gonna go to Midway. So I'll have the heavy. 2 heavy cruisers. 2 light cruisers. 4 destroyers. He's going to be there. This fighter's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Be there. The transport's going to take these 2. He'll be there. This transport's going to take these 2 and go 1, 2, 3. Sorry, 2 like that. So they'll be there. And he'll be there as well. Sub. And then down here, going to rail this colonial to Buenos Aires. Again, Buenos Aires is just going to march to Patagonia. Going to march a naval infantry here and here. And then he's going to march to here, and he'll march there, like thus. Yeah, I think that's it then. Okay. I'll throw this guy down here. These two guys will go out here by San Fran. The two planes will also by San Fran, into San Fran. The heavy cruiser go to San Fran. The artillery is going to go into Rio. No, but in Buenos Aires. He's going to go to San Fran. Okay, the Russian infantry, and then the three colonials are going to go Gran Chaco, Peru, and he will go into the Philippines. And then for, oh shoot, I can't remember. I had an idea for these guys. Oh yeah. Put one in Queensland and one in Sydney, which should prevent those from collecting. Okay. So 56 bucks. And I think that's everything. So there you go. That's America done. We're passing it over to, I don't even know who's who in this game anymore. Veteran? Is Germany in this game? Jeez, I think so.